Number 7, discretionary income. Discretionary income is the amount of money you have left over after you pay for your essential items. In this case, we're thinking our transportation is essential, our housing is essential, and our food is essential. So I already did videos showing you how to calculate the percentage of those 3 items as part of your monthly budget. But now we're going to think about discretionary income. So to start calculating my discretionary income, I got to start with my estimated take home monthly pay. Mine is 3,560. Yours is going to be different depending on the salary you have. Remember, I'm pretending to be a first year teacher. So I start with this. Then I'm going to go ahead and just subtract what I used for transportation. That was my first calculation. I chose the subway. So I got minus $127. I'm spending on that every month. Minus my housing. I chose the studio apartment, so that's $1,500. And minus my groceries, which I had calculated to be $217. So I want to calculate all this. That's my take-home pay, minus my transportation, minus my housing, minus my food. Okay, so let me go ahead over to Desmos. You can put this in whatever calculator makes sense for you, but you do not want any dollar signs. You do not want any commas if you're putting it in Desmos. Okay, so after I pay all my expenses, I have $1,716 left. That's honestly more than I was expecting to have left. So I know this equals 1,000. Oh, I wish it was 7,000. $1,716. So this is what I have left over. This is my answer here. Part B, okay. When we think about discretionary income, we think about 2 things. We think about our spending money on things that are discretionary, fun, extra, and savings. So this amount, I got to split up into those 2 categories. So I definitely want to do some fun things with some discretionary money, but I also want to think about my savings. I think that for me, I'm looking at this number and I'm thinking I would love to save. This is ambitious, but I would love to save $1,000 a month, and I'll have an extra $716 that I'm going to have as my funny money, spending money. And it kind of breaks down nicely. So my savings goal would be $1,000 a month.